Myntri katrat ka koit ka khiah oba ialeh haba iakren bikla pathai khubor ulong ba ka cancer wing ha civil hospital kan dei ka kam ka ba Hakhmat du ka Sorkar jylla ban pyndep ulong ru bala dala on pyniaid ka kam da katnat ka koit ka khiah Hynrei Lada duna briew banse ban shawei.
If we are state government with our own the existing manpower, will be able to run the cancer wing and give the complete services to people. We have no problem to run by the government. If suppose, if we are not ready, then the government has no choice only to engage the public partnership for running the management of the cancer wing.
Uhegulay thuru bakani ka kamram ka Sorkar banyale katba ban iarap nongpang cancer lyngba ka MHIS ulaban ru bakani ka hospital kan biang nadong shadong bar ki briew kimdan kamshu ban leit phasumar shabar.
First completed this cancer wing, and you say we will be a dedicated cancer wing for these services to the people. We will be ensure that will happen, and ensure also the minimum expenditure from the side of the patients and the family. As much as possible, we'll try to cover from the insurance scheme or MHIS insurance scheme or any other where we can support the cancer patients.